Hi, I am Brian. You are watching Golden Host One channel. I teach you about how to check your website speed and performance. How fast your WordPress site loads literally determines the success of your website. In this detailed guide, let's talk about how you can speed up your WordPress site in 2020. There are a couple of amazing free tools that can help you easily test website loading times, which are mentioned below. There are 3 types of tools. Please subscribe and share our channel Golden Host One. No. 1. GTmetrix. GTmetrix is one of the most popular website speed and performance optimization tools that you can use to test your website speed. Just enter your website URL and click to analyze, and it will instantly generate a report of your website which looks like this. As you can see above, it gives you a ton of details including page and speed score, slow score, fully loaded time, total page size, number of requests. It also gives you all the required suggestions to improve your website speed and performance when you scroll down. No. 2. Pingdom Tools. This is another incredible free website speed test that helps you easily find and analyze your website. It uses more than 70 global polling locations to test and verify websites, which is great. Enter any URL or individual page URL and click on the Start Test button to continue. It also gives you an option to test your website from a wide range of countries. As you can see above, you can find a ton of insights into your website including performance grade, page size, load time, number of requests. It also gives you a section called Improve Page Performance, where you will find all the suggestions you need to increase your overall website performance along with its speed. No. 3. Google Page Speed Insights. Last but not least, let us take a look at Page Speed Insight, which is developed by Google itself, which analyzes the content of a web page and offers you suggestions to make the page faster. It's a free tool to use. Go to Page Speed Insights, enter your domain name or any individual URL if you want to optimize one particular page, and click on the Analyze button to continue. Instantly it shows you a score for both devices, which are mobile and desktop. The higher your score, the faster and better optimized your web pages are. Thanks for watching Golden Host One. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with friends. Have a nice day. Goodbye.